MTD Network have travelled to Ferrositi in Cheltenham, and I'm joined here by Nick Furno, the founder of Ferrositi Evolution. Now, Nick, how long ago did you start this company?
So Gio, we started in 2012. It's been onwards and upwards since, basically.
I know that you won Young Company of the Year in 2017, and you've been continuously investing in all of the latest technology. I mean, what is the secrets behind your success?
As you said, I think it's continued investment. Over the last couple of years since we won that award, we've doubled our turnover and we've just kept putting in new machines.
Now, in regards to, you mentioned new machines, you're also investing in yet another facility. You're expanding on this one, and you've also got plans for a huge facility. Can you kind of give us some details about this?
Yeah, so we've pretty much grown out of where we are at the moment. So as a short-term plan, we're going to rent some space next door, which will almost double our floor space. So we're going to move some of our existing machines into there and bring in 2 new Mazaks. And then in sort of 18 months' time, we have plans to move into a purpose-built facility.
I mean, this is phenomenal growth in such a short period of time. What kind of work do you do? What do you believe, apart from the investment, are the secrets behind your success? What do you do that's different?
So we do subcontract work, and it's quite varied. I mean, we work in aerospace, oil and gas, all the usual, but we tend to do quite complex work and sort of any volume from 1 to sort of 20.
So have you got any spare capacity for the complex type of work that you do that our network customers can get in touch with you about?
Certainly, I mean, we tend to be fairly busy most of the time. As I said, we've got 2 new machines coming in, so definitely some spare capacity on the horizon.
Well, you'll be seeing a lot more of Ferrositi Evolution in the months to come. We'll be back here soon to review the new machines and look at their latest facility.